Hey, what's up? Hey you guys, today is Saturday and I am back with another vlog. Today I'm gonna be vlogging me going to my mom's house. We're actually gonna go, my son and my husband are at Mason's soccer game. It's his last game. I just could not go because I was getting us ready because we're getting ready to go take pictures. We're taking pictures. His mom is 50 now, so she wanted to take like family portraits or whatnot. So I just did like a simple beat, and yeah, we're gonna get shirts from her. So that's, you know, why I just have on this I Love LA, and I have on some jeans and some, what are these, Vans. Aaliyah Marie, stop it. But anyway, I'm gonna go wash her face really quick, and then I'll pick the camera back up in a second. Also, my brother is going to be there. He's coming from where he lives. Like, he actually lives like almost 2 hours from me, but he's coming to my mom's house as well with my niece. It's kind of hot now, Lily. It's hot. You gotta let it cool off. See, hot. Maya, can you give a? See, you can put it right there till it cools off. Hold it. Anyways, here, burn your mouth. Anyway, I just warmed them up a honey bun because they want a little snack before the road. But I'm meeting up with my brother. Also, my sister's at work, so I won't see her this time. But my mom's making pozole. I don't know if you guys have ever heard or tried.
What's that
Pozole, it's super good. I really can't explain it. It has hummus. I can't think of the name of it. I'm vlogging. Let me see what you got.
A medal.
What'd you get a medal for?
You ready?
I just got 2 goals from my dad.
You made 2 goals?
Yeah.
Say good morning.
Good morning. I'm tired already, man.
Mason, did you do good?
Yes.
Alright. So we got our shirts.
Where are you, Nana?
I think she went in the bathroom. Is she in the bathroom?
No.
Look at Bay.
She shouldn't be.
Huh? It says, look who's 50 and fabulous.
You call me Maya? Okay.
I forgot to vlog. You gonna say hi?
Hey. Hello.
So we're at the place where we're taking the pictures. There's the lady over there. And I forgot to vlog earlier, but we're gonna go take pictures. So just wanted to check in. Highlight popping. Yeah, it was. I was just sitting in the car while we were waiting because she was a little bit late. Bae thinks he looks ugly today. I tell him he don't. Today. He just don't want to take a good picture with me.
I can't. I'm tired. Just tired. We've been at the soccer game all morning.
Where are we taking him at? In the dirt? Yeah, I don't think y'all can see it. That ain't what I meant. Y'all can't see it. I think we're gonna be back there somewhere, like where there's like some trees or whatever. But I'll vlog that in a minute.
Camp.
You can try to not be such a bad vlogger today, but we're done taking pictures. We're actually out here already on my way to my mom's house. I'm like right around the corner or whatever. Is it prom? So I see a limo, but yeah. So we're almost to my mom's house. Pictures came out. They went by really quick, and I think they came out really good. I even took a few, you know, for my own personal use, like on my iPhone on portrait mode, which you guys know is the bomb. So yeah, I'm about to go over here and eat some pozole because I'm hungry, and they weren't ready to eat yet at his mom's house. So yeah, I'm gonna go right here right quick and pick up the camera in a second. Babe stayed behind because he's gonna eat. Everybody else wasn't ready to eat, but he was gonna go and sneak and eat. So
Why go to Gaga house?
because yeah, so he stayed behind, but I wanted to come over here and eat some. So, woo! Jesus. So let's go. This is my brother.
Who did your hair?
He looks like a straight up Mexican right now.
Huh?
Let me see your ponytail. His ponytail is about thicker than mine, probably.
About to right here. You wanna get down?
What are y'all doing? Oh, this is Leanna. She don't really like being on camera. Y'all just playing cards. Oh, my head is hurting in the back. He's trying to eat, so I'm trying to eat too. Is it done? Yeah. Let me show y'all. Oh, and let me show Kalea as mom's. Look at my pretty little niece. So pretty. What's your name?
Ooh.
How old are you? 6. Oh. look like mommy. She looks just like her mom. Cilantro, radish. What does radish taste like? Careful.
Ask her when I open it for you.
Ask mom if you can have it. Ask mommy if you can have it. Oh, you got it?
So I don't know if y'all can see. But this is put cilantro, radish, and lemon. I squeeze lemon.
Yeah, well.
Mom, you have plastic.
Change the pictures.
You got a plastic fork? Or you just...
That'll be something in there, Jazz. It's not.
Mommy, I want to wait until we get to the end.
What you want? So now we are headed back home. Did you have a good day?
Good day. It's time to go home and watch the Longhorn spring game.
No, I want to watch Trolls.
He said he want to watch Trolls. You want to watch Trolls?
Yeah.
So yeah, today was a pretty good day. It was, I don't feel too exhausted yet. The longer I sit in this car though, I have a feeling I'm going to get tired.
I've been
but-
exhausted.
Yeah,
We've been at the soccer game all morning. Turned around and hit the road. They woke us up at like 7 o'clock.
Right.
So we've been out.
Yeah, so we've been up since 7. And then we just kind of sat around for a little bit. And then I had to do the girls' hair and stuff. And then I had to get myself ready. And then he took them to, he took Mason to his last game. And then from that we came to our hometown. So my baby's tired.
Ready to sleep.
Did you get full though?
I did.
He ate with his mom at her birthday gathering, and I ate
Cake too.
some pozole. You guys saw it's so good, and I got some to go. What?
I didn't have another piece of cake.
No, you're gonna eat ice cream when you get home. And yeah, we took some cake to go, and I already ate my piece because I'm fat. But I got him a piece. So I don't
Can't
know.
wait to eat it. I'm so tired.
I know. I think you really are tired though, because you look tired earlier. You don't look as tired now. So I'll probably end the vlog here. I don't know. It just depends. I think tomorrow I want to make a lasagna and go to his sister's house and eat, but who knows? But whatever we do, I'll let you guys know. What are y'all singing? Hopefully they be asleep pretty soon.
See y'all in a minute.
Hey y'all. Y'all probably can't see me. Look at my curtain up there. I don't even know how the hell that would even get like that. But let me get up so y'all can see me. I look a mess. I just woke up. Obviously I slept pretty good, right? But I just had my cup of coffee. Aaliyah, stop yelling. I just had my cup of coffee. I'm currently importing my vlog from a few days ago, from Friday. I almost titled it wrong. Like, I have another vlog for my mother-in-law's 50th. So it's 8:30 in the morning. I think I'm about to get me and the kids dressed. It's just me and the small kids because somebody wanted to spend the night at her cousin, so she's at my sister-in-law's house. So I think I'm gonna get some grocery shopping out of the way while I just have them and come home and clean and stuff, because yeah, I need to clean my house. I feel like it's like a constant thing, especially with little kids. That's pretty much all I have planned today. My husband is at work right now, so we don't have any plans besides chilling around. I'm gonna make a lasagna for dinner. I need to wash my hair because it's super oily. I had so much dry shampoo in my hair yesterday. Like, it looked good, but it's really dirty now. And the dry shampoo that I was using, it's by Dove, and I just figured it'd be really good. But hold on, it does leave like, come here, like a white cast in my hair, which I know most of them do, but I think I might have sprayed it too. If you get too close to your hair, what? So that's what's gonna go on right now. I'm gonna make some lasagna for dinner with garlic bread, and then like this week for lunch and stuff, I'm gonna prep some Caesar salads, and yeah, so that's what's gonna happen, and I'll talk to you guys later. Once I'll probably vlog at the grocery store, I don't know, but whatever I do, I will bring you guys along. All right, so Aaliyah, get down.
This is my mom's channel. And today we're gonna be making lasagna, and this is gonna how we make it. We're gonna make just follow the simple steps. We're gonna make zucchini. First, you cut up onions. And you cut a zucchini. And then you cut zucchini, but you gotta wash them first, right, mommy? You do white. No, you do. Yeah. So be quiet. If kids want to make lasagna, they're using sharp things, they have to ask the grown-up for help because knives are dangerous for kids. Right, Mama? Mama, can I help you cut?
Mason, you finna get a whooping.
Keep cutting
You
cucumber.
gotta move your fingers.
Keep cutting cucumber until you think you
This
got
is not a
enough
cucumber.
Keep cutting zucchini until you think you got the right amount.
Alright, so as you can see, I chopped up some zucchini and some red onion. I like to let this kind of saute in my pan with my meat.
Right.
Let me wash my hands right quick.
You do white because first you just want to follow these simple instructions. First, cut up red onion, then zucchini. Then you wanna get your chicken.
Okay, so let me show you the oh, I thought my pot was on. Italian ground sausage and some ground turkey. So I'm gonna saute my vegetables and some garlic in the pan first, and then I'll add in my.
Okay, you're gonna go with. But we do have a weasel. But the only thing is, I don't know what's that. Okay, bye. I leave you alone just a second when I come back. So why you come back after I come back to it?
To take some ricotta. This is just low-fat ricotta cheese. With that parsley. This is what the cheese mixture looks like. It's ricotta, parsley, and different types of Italian mozzarella cheese. And then I'm about to start my meat because my veggies are cooking up well. So I'm about to add in my sausage. It's not gonna hurt? Babe, is it gonna hurt?
Hurt?
Yay!
Does it hurt?
Just let it fall out on its own, Samaya. It ain't ready. Jordan, I don't think it's ready. It ain't ready yet.
I mean, it's out the deal there.
Does it hurt? Let me see.
And wash your mouth out with warm water.
Let me see it.
It's bleeding.
Daddy pulled the tooth out. Good job.
This
I don't
one
want
with
it.